Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe to be the best silicone food containers with lids available on the market. The ECOBERI Collapsible Silicone Food Storage Containers. These containers stand out not only because of their innovative design but also due to their eco-friendly and practical features that make everyday food storage effortless and efficient. First off, the design is truly space-saving. These containers collapse to 1/3 of their original size, making them perfect for anyone dealing with limited kitchen storage or for those who love to travel. When expanded, they hold up to 27 ounces of food, making them ideal for meal prep, lunches, leftovers, or even organizing small household items. The ability to collapse means they take up minimal space in your cabinets or bags when not in use, which is a huge win for convenience. The material is another highlight. Made from BPA-free silicone, these containers are safe, non-toxic, and durable. You can confidently use them in the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher without worrying about damaging the container or compromising your food safety. Their sturdy construction means they can handle everyday use, while the snap-top airtight lids keep your food fresh and prevent spills. Plus, the transparent base makes it easy to see what's inside without opening the container. Versatility is key here. While they are designed primarily for food storage, these containers are great for more than just that. Whether you're packing lunch for work, storing snacks for a trip, or even using them to organize small items around the house or for your pets, these containers adapt to your needs seamlessly. The stackable feature adds to the organizational benefits, allowing you to keep your kitchen neat and tidy. From a practical perspective, cleaning these containers is hassle-free. Since they are dishwasher safe, you can just pop them in the top rack and forget about scrubbing. Their durable silicone is also resistant to stains and odors, keeping them fresh and ready for your next use. ECOBERI's commitment to sustainability also shines through with this product. By choosing these reusable silicone containers, you reduce your reliance on disposable plastic containers and wraps, contributing to a greener planet. The brand is focused on innovative, eco-conscious products, and these containers are a perfect example of that philosophy in action. To sum up, if you're looking for a set of food storage containers that combine functionality, durability, and eco-friendliness with a space-saving design, the ECOBERI Collapsible Silicone Food Storage Containers are an excellent choice. They make meal prep easier, storage smarter, and cleaning simpler, all while being kind to the environment. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest and in-depth product insights. See you in the next video.